Welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this spaghetti flare top. If that's what you would like to learn, make sure to continue watching. I've made a lot of spaghetti flare tops on my channel, but this is very easy and simple. So make sure to watch till the end so that you understand how I made it. Now let's go. I have this black fabric that I'll be using for the spaghetti strap, and it's just a leftover fabric, and then I have 1 yard of the main fabric. So I'm going to draft this on the pattern paper. Guys, watch carefully. This is the simplest spaghetti top you can ever make or sew. So first thing I'm going to do is to mark out the lines. The length of the top I want to use is 29 inches, but I made it 30 inches for sewing allowance. So I place my tape like this, and I'm going off 6 inches for the spaghetti strap, and then mark the armhole line. So again, I went off by 6 inches for the spaghetti strap, and then I marked the armhole line. So I'll go ahead and square this line out. This is the armhole line, and then this is, I'll call it the neckline. Yes, this will be the neckline. That's where we're going to make the spaghetti strap effect. So here now, you're going to mark your bust divided by 4 plus ½ inch sewing allowance. And then on the neckline, then here you're going to mark the width of your spaghetti strap. That's how wide you want the spaghetti strap to be. For mine is 5 inches, so I marked it here. I'm going to connect it to the armhole curve like this. It's very easy. Then on the neckline, come down by 1 inch. Connect it like so. Guys, this is the easiest spaghetti top you can make, or you can even make it a spaghetti dress. And on the hemline, I'm going to make here to be 19 inches. So I'm going to connect this to the armhole line. Connect it straight. It will give you a flare effect. I've made a lot of spaghetti strap dresses and tops on my channel, but I've been using the flare or the circular effect for this, but this is going to just be an A-line spaghetti strap. So you connect it like this, and that is it. For the hem, you're going to come up 3½ inches. Then you connect it to the hem like so. And then this is it. You're just going to go ahead and cut out this pattern. Remember, you can cut this directly on your fabric. You're going to have this place unfold, and then you're going to cut 2 pieces of this. So I'll go ahead and now cut out this pattern so I can place it on my pattern on my fabric and cut out. Remember, this is not flare. You're going to make it A-line, so you're going to cut it straight. Fold your fabric into 2 and then place the pattern and cut it. You are not going to cut it on bias. If you also like, you can try it out and place it on bias and cut it. It will give it a more flared effect. So this is it. I'll cut it out on my fabric, and once I'm done, this is how it's looking. As you can see, I told you I'm going to cut 2 pieces, so this is it for the front and back. So this is for the front, 2 pieces, and then this, the both of them are on fold. Next is to sew the spaghetti strap. Make sure you're going to pay attention here, because a lot of people don't know how to sew spaghetti strap. So first thing you're going to do, this is the straps that I've cut. This is 1.25 and this is 2 inches. So the one that is the 1.25 is the one I'm going to use to sew the neckline. So you're going to decide to sew this inside or you're going to sew it outside, depending on how you want the finishing. For mine, I'm going to sew mine outside. So this is it. After sewing it, you can see I turned it to the right side. I did it to the both fabric, and then you're going to go ahead and join the side seam. So right side facing together, I'm going to join the side seam. You sew ½ inch. Remember, it was ½ inch sewing allowance we added. So I'm going to sew here and also sew the other side. Once I was done sewing it, this is how it's looking now, as you can see. So next is for us to sew the spaghetti strap. So I'm going to bring the 2 inches strap that I cut out. This is it. Then you are going to sew, because you want this strap to show outside, you're going to sew wrong side, right side on wrong side. I hope you understand. And you sew it all round. Remember, we left 6 inches for the spaghetti strap. Here you're going to now leave, if you times the 6 inches by 2, you're going to get 12 inches, right? So when you're sewing this, you're going to place this like this, right side on wrong side. You sew it all the way around. When you get to this end, you're going to leave 12 inches. So from here where the neckline stops, you're going to measure 12 inches. We left 6 inches, remember, when we were making the pattern. So times that by 2, which is going to give you 12. So you're going to leave 12 and then continue with the spaghetti strap round. So after making it, this is how it's looking, guys. Can you see? Yeah, I'll go ahead to wear this so that you guys can see. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. So can you guys see how beautiful the flare top is? It's very nice. If you have been wanting to make or sew a spaghetti flare top or flare dress and you don't know how to sew the straps, the spaghetti straps, trust me, this is very, very simple. Try it out and you will come back to thank me. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have not watched how to make this short, it's going to be up on my YouTube channel.